Welcome. Today we will talk about punch and cavity mold and cover up some important commands like extrude cut, pattern, also about a circle, rectangle, ellipse, and trim. So first one, I will sketch part in series. Number one, top plate, bottom plate, uh, push, right hand, punch, and cavity. And second one, we will go to assemble all part together. So let's come with me. Now we will sketch first one, the top plate. So how it is? Okay, click on new part, then OK. Select a top plane, then sketch. Select a rectangle. Select a center rectangle, and then OK. In the beginning, we should select the units, edit sketch, edit dimensions. This one size is 200 mm, then OK. Again 100. Okay, select fillet and selection around all the rectangle. Okay, this is one of the better sign in a SolidWorks that automatically software indicates all of the corner, which will be for fillets. Okay, 10 mm is okay, and okay. Now magically jump from sketch into extrude. I like this kind of that it's automatically come to one command into another command. So just we okay. Now is top surface of the body. Make a circle and edit dimensions. It's 20. Jump to extrude cut. It should be 10, then OK. We edit extrude boss about the 20 mm, then OK. Again sketch on the to extrude cut, draw, okay. Now select both of extrude cuts and go to the pattern. Select first one direction and select 160, and second one direction, select this one direction, and distance will be 60. Then OK. Okay, now top plate is complete. We goes to other part. Select new part, OK. Same procedure for creating a bottom plate. All of the procedure is same. Select a top plane and sketch. Same center rectangle. Change units. Edit sketch. Resize dimensions. Make a fillet. 10 mm OK, then OK, goes to extrude boss, 20 mm, then okay. Again sketch on the top surface of the bottom plate. Make a circle and resize. It is 20. And goes to extrude pad. Throw all. Then okay. One thing again. Edit. Resize the size of the hole. It is 25. Okay, select extrude cut, goes to the linear pattern, select first one direction and size also 160. Second directions 60 mm. Then okay, and save it. It's a bottom plate. We will create it on the desktop and make a new folder, ABC. The part name is bottom plate. Save it and close it. Again something are under observation, that first one extrude cut, we will check the size of this one. It's 18, not we required 25. Then okay, and other extrude cut, we will check on the size of 15. It's okay. This one plate is okay, so save it. It's a punch. Sorry, it's a top plate. Save it. Okay, no problem. You save it, top plate one. Then close it and again part. Now we are going to make a bush. Select the top plane. At first check on the millimeter, gram seconds, then select the top plane, sketch and create a circle. Then goes to the size should be 30 mm. Okay, but one thing is remaining. Edit sketch. The size of the bush. We need 24. 19. Then okay. Again sketch on the top of the. You must select from the origin of the. So again 15 of this one. Then okay. Then goes to extrude that and through all. Then okay. Now bush is created. One thing we added in this fret, the size of the fret should be 2 mm is enough. Okay, both sides. Then okay, or save it, name it bush 1. Okay, then close it, and now we are going to make a guide pin. It's a new part. Okay, change units, top plane, sketch, circle, then edit. The size is 25 and it goes to extrude pose. The size will 10 mm. Then okay, again sketch on the top of the surface, make a circle. I think it is better it makes from a revolve command, so we discard this one, this discard and delete it. Again edit the sketch. So we don't need circle, we need a sketch like this. Now edit the size. First one thing is 25, then half 12.5. Second one we need size 14.5, then 7 point. You can also, if you need 14.5, divide 2 automatically, it will be here. And the other one is we need 12, divide 2 automatically, it will come. And this length we need 18, and this one we need 15, it's 16. I think it's no need to change this one size. Okay, now it is okay. Goes to revolve. At first we make a monkey more slots for air gap. Okay, select both of them equally. Then goes to trim. Delete this one entity and say okay. And goes to revolve. Select this one line and say okay. So I think it's a better way to paint. Now we need some templates. Here is the template. We need at this edge a template. The size should be enough. And again, I think 1 mm is okay. And one thing more, at this point, now okay. So our guide paint is completed. Save it. Now close it, and we have created top plate, bottom plate, bush, guide pin. Now we need punch and cavity. So we are going for creating, make a punch, top plane sketch, select ellipse, minor axis, major axis, then edit we should change the units, and then edit dimensions. Select these 2 points, it should be 80. Okay, and we need this one size 50. It goes to extrude and it's okay now. And now again we need to sketch the goes to convert entity. At first we select this one edge and click on convert entity, and size will be 12. And first one we don't need, so delete it, and goes to extrude and Z panel. Okay, and we need also dot again 5, and we need a dot, so you are looking dot again 5, then okay, and goes to offset this one entity, save it, so punch, now finally we need cavity, close it and goes for new file part. Okay, same procedure. First one is selection of units, then goes to top plane, sketch, make ellipse, minor axis, major axis, then edit, size, we need 50, minor axis, and we need 80 mm, major axis. Minor major axis complete, and goes to extrude. It should be 20 mm, then goes to OK. Now again sketch on the top of this surface. So what we'll do, same procedure here, select a corner, convert entity, offset this one edge, reverse, and do it, then okay, and delete it, then goes to extrude cut, and size should be 5 mm, and also we need okay, we will check after, save it, name it cavity, then okay. So now it's time to assemble all the parts together. Okay, now it's time to assemble all the parts together. So close, now I'm going to close this one, previously assembled assembly. So goes to the new, and now it's assembly. It's time to assemble, and all of these parts we should select one by one, then open some and click on to matting. I go to the mat and hole, then OK. Select bottom side and this one side. It should be coincident. OK. And say OK. And this one part to the push goes to the pattern and select this one direction. And we need two patterns. And select the second direction and direction should be reverse. And press OK. One thing is complete and we are going to matting this part. Goes to the mat and select the surface and pat it. And select this one. OK. Okay, so better to press this one. Now this one goes to the mat. Select and select this one. Goes to OK. So next formatting is at first, then press OK. Okay, coincident now. Okay, so second you are looking, two parts are completed. Now goes to OK. Select this one and now goes to mat. Press reverse directions. Okay, it's okay. Then press OK. This surface and this surface. Now it is okay. Go to the pin. Guide pen also goes to the pattern. Select first one line. It's okay. And direction 2 is this one. Now this mat is complete. Again, you need this one punch on this pattern. So again, click on mat. Click on this part, goes to axis, click on display, and again goes to plan. Now select and press OK. Finally, we are going to make these function cavity. Again, go to the mat, select surface with this one surface and edit the dimensions. It should be a 40 and look the dimensions wise, and it should be a 30. Now it is okay. And finally click on this one plane and this one plane. Okay. And last one is this one plane, this one plane. Okay. Then okay. Here is our exercise complete, and off the all the plane, and now it's time to render. Open this one, change the color, save it, close it, again open this one part, and metal, save, then close. Now open this one part, close one, steel. Now little bit change, component, then save, close it, and repeat, select other part, and also goes to save, then close. Now our bushes, open, select from the cross component, and save it, close it. Now last one is the pens, and it should be cross. We are changing something different. Then save it, close it. Okay, now our exercise is complete. Select this plate, press Ctrl, select one by one. Now down, then OK, and goes to collapse. Okay, off all the lamps. Now save it.